May whispers rise when words fall short, and truth find you in every port. May trials forge your spirit bright, like coal transformed to crystal light. And when the winds of life grow wild, may you still walk with grace and smile. May angels walk where you have been and clear the air from deep within. May every tear you've ever shed be turned to light where others tread. May signs appear, both bold and small, on license plates, in dreams through calls. May 333 remind your soul that God is near and you are whole. May your voice become your gift, your radiant fire inspire those caught in the mire. For in your heart the echoes ring of ancient truth and sacred wing. So go, dear soul, and rise once more. You've passed through every hidden door. You are the storm, the peace, the flame, the one who rose and changed the game. For every word you speak in light leaves footprints glowing through the night. And every time you choose to heal, the unseen realms begin to feel. You're not just here to walk alone, you're made of breath and flame and stone. A piece of sky behind your gaze, a keeper of olden ways. So when you feel the world grow cold, let kindness be your silent gold. For hearts will warm in your embrace, though they may never know your face. For when you speak with love aligned, the winds obey, the stars remind, and those who wander far from flame may one day whisper back your name. So go and carry not just words, but pulses only spirit heard. For you, dear soul, were born to be a living hymn eternally. This video was created by Preserve Humanity.